Okay, they're pulling on the side, so I'm trying to give them their first toys ever. Want to give them something that's going to make noises so they get over their fear. Like that little Pandito's scared. This one, he's curious. He's the first one to the noise. See, I got a sock that had holes in it. I gave it to her. Well, I tried to give it to the puppies. Two-Face thinks it's for her, but that's alright. The puppies will learn from her playing. Look, puppies. Hey. Oh, not scared this time. That's good. No, Two-Face. This is for them. Don't break it, Two-Face. Easy. They're teething, so I'm trying to give them something they can play with. Two-Face, easy. She's got to check it out, make sure it's not dangerous. No! You don't tear it.